gang, welcome back to the channel. Hope everybody's doing fantastic today. It's sunny and 70 here in St. Augustine. Got something cool I want to show you guys today. We're in Old Florida, actually the landing at Old Florida. Old Florida is an older community, but the landing at Old Florida is a new addition to that community. It's off Woodlawn Drive, off of State Road 16, right in the heart of St. Augustine. And it's basically one road back in here, 24 home sites. And it's by Drees Homes, and we're going to go tour their model, the Crane 2. So I'm going to, before we go in, I'm going to kind of just point you down the street and let you kind of take a look at some things, because it's just this one road, but it's very cool. It's kind of a little hidden gem back in here, so I wanted to kind of expose you guys to it. So hang on, let's take a peek. All right, gang, we make our way into the landing at Old Florida. That's coming from the older part of the community that comes off of Woodlawn Drive here in St. Augustine. But if we come in the community, if we were to take a right, you could look down, you see the multiple lots down there. They've got some inventory homes being built down there, and they've got all these lots available. They've got a couple of sold. There's 50s, 55s, 60s wide type lots. There's their Crane 2, the model home in here. We're gonna video that here for you guys. And there's a couple lots over here as well. So it's just this one road, very cool. Kind of a hidden gem, like I said, back in here. And Drees is the only builder. They've got all the lots back in here. And they're averaging about 120-foot-ish deep. So plenty of room back in here. And so I thought you guys would like to see this. All right, gang, let's go inside the Crane 2. Beautiful little home. This model is phenomenal. Drees does a great job. And pretty much what you see in this model is what Drees can do. Now, the Crane 2, I've got my notes with me here, just forgive me. It's 2,305 square feet, 4 bedroom, 3 bath, and one of the bedrooms, of course, has an ensuite, which is very, very cool. So let's take a peek. Again, what you see in a Drees model is pretty much what you can do with a Drees home. They have a lot of customization you can do, and like this they have a design center, and they'll help guide us through the process of designing a home specifically for you. Look what they did here in the tray ceiling and the entrance to Crane 2. But anyway, we're going to come into this nice entry space, right? It kind of pulls your eye straight into that main living area back there. But you're going to pass some other areas before you even get into there. So it's very private back there. Before we go that direction, we're going to take a right off the door. See the wallpaper they got here? You can do that as well. Very nice. Very subtle. I like it. Look at the board and batten look in this room. Pretty cool. Light and bright, tall ceilings. 9-foot ceilings, 8-foot doors, craftsman style doors throughout. And this front bedroom is the one with the ensuite, okay? The bath here. They've done a really, really good job with this, this home in displaying all the wood windowsills, the wood trim around the whole windows there. It really gives it an elegant look. The taller baseboards, instead of the standard quarter round, they've used square quarter round, I'll call it, or square trim at the base. Okay, on here, what do we got here? So where our Lennox air unit, they're using Lennox, which of course, as we know, is a very good brand of air conditioning units. Taking a left here is our entrance to the garage. Pretty standard 2-car garage, nothing super exciting there. Okay, they've created a little, owner's entry space, drop the kids' backpack sort of space. And we got Mr. John, our favorite side agent here for Drees. This is an office den that you could option up with doors and all if you wanted to. But as we pull ourselves in, that's not the super exciting part of the house. This is, look at this. Pretty amazing, quite the entertaining space. Can you imagine having some gatherings here? Look at the nice sized table they have there. You see all of the woodwork on the walls. Again, all doable with Drees, okay? And the model has the upgraded kitchen appliances, the KitchenAid brand that normally that's a Whirlpool setup. This ginormous island, that's an island right there, right? And again, the model has everything, all soft close, like you would expect. Standard would not have soft close, that would be an option. But to see what they've also can do, look at the cove lighting underneath the toe kicks all the way around the counters. They can do all of that. So they do a lot more than most of your average, I'll say, semi-custom builders, okay? A lot of times you go into a semi-custom builder's home that's all tuned up. I love the bar right there. Talk about entertaining space, right? All the cabinet lighting. A lot of what you see you can't do, you can do after closing. But with Drees, they pretty much, you can do this with Drees. Okay? If you see it, you can imagine it, they can pretty much do it. Again, we're in the landing in Old Florida, which I'll put a Google map up so you can see exactly where it is. Some folks may not be familiar with that. Nice screen porch over here. It's off of Woodlawn and State Road 16 near shopping, right in the middle of St. Augustine. You know, you're minutes to downtown, the beaches, the whole bit. So 24 lots. Again, about 120-ish deep, depending on lots. Some are a little bigger, some a little smaller, longer. 50s, 60s, 50s, 55, 60s. Look at this master. They've got an extensive use of board and batten in this house, the look. And of course, the fake beams in the top, very nice. And the crane too, it's a nice floor plan. You're gonna see something, it's almost like a little maze going on here too, because you're gonna see the laundry room connected to the master and to the rest of the house. But check that out, huh? Don't you, I love that cove lighting. And they can put it above cabinets like in your kitchen as well. Plenty of counter space here. Nice window, get some light in there. Look at this. And you're seeing a lot more builders now use the brushed gold. It's made a big comeback. Not the shiny gold of the 1980s. It's got double shower heads, but the brushed gold, it's almost like a brushed nickel versus the gold. It's very cool. And even the toilet space is big. All right, now this is where it gets really cool, because you come into the master closet, and again, they have all the shelving that you can do. You take a left, and that nice wood floor, the engineered wood goes throughout, and it kind of wraps this way. So it's an interesting shape for a closet as well. Now you go into your laundry space, super convenient, extra cabinets and all. And of course the sink area, but it also goes over to this side, which if we were to take a left, we'd go back out into the dining space. So this is kind of a hidden little bedroom space over here with 2 bedrooms and a bathroom. Very nice. So they've got this, even the secondaries, they got them kind of tuned up a little bit, nothing crazy. You know, again, in secondaries, you don't have to go crazy in them. But they've got this one set up, a little exercise space. I haven't looked in this closet yet. Let's see what this closet's got. Oh, it's a little walk-in. Very nice. Very nice. Okay, so we got a walk-in in your secondary. And then we got here. Now this is a little smaller room. It's got this little notch right here, you know, because that notch is where your closet is. So definitely a little smaller, a little short bed here. But still, the house has a lot of personality. The layout, of course, their design. And it's really kind of cool because not only is it the model, but you can actually duplicate this if you wanted to. So very nice. Let me leave you with this view right here. Look at that. Beautiful, huh? All right, gang. Hope you enjoyed the Crane 2 here at the landing at Old Florida by Drees. Again, I'll put a Google map up on the channel, on the video, so you guys kind of get an idea of where Old Florida actually is. I hope you enjoyed it. If we can give you any other information, give us a shout out. We'd be more than happy to help and chat with you guys a little bit and learn about what you're trying to accomplish and let you learn a little bit about us. Anyway, I want you to have a fantastic day. Thanks for watching.